Hello friends, welcome to Smart Kids. The snow is gone, the birds are singing, the sun is getting warmer, and all kids are full of energy as spring is in the air. Thankfully, spring offers many fun outdoor activities for children to get their wiggle out. So, do you think it is the perfect time for outdoor activities? Yes, of course. But you should concern about two factors which are very important before going outside. In this video, we will see that two important factors. Our first concern factor is pollen. So what is this pollen? Pollen is very fine powder produced by trees, flower, grasses and weeds to fertilize other plants of the same species. Many people have an adverse immune response when they breathe in pollen, and this is nothing but pollen allergy, which is very common. Now we will see the symptoms of pollen allergy. It most often includes sneezing, stuffy nose, nasal congestion, very itchy and watery eyes, runny nose, and itchy skin. It also includes scratchy throat. The allergy is unlikely to go away once it has developed. So what precaution you should take? When you are going outside, you should check air quality in weather section. In that, you will come to know about pollen count. Like today, pollen count is very high. If pollen count is very high in air, avoid outdoor activities. Sometimes you can't avoid, but you may be able to minimize your exposure to pollen by staying indoor on dry and windy days, closing doors and windows when pollen counts are high, wearing a dust mask when pollen counts are high. Wear sunglasses to protect your eyes. The next one, removing and washing any clothing that has been worn outside. After returning home, wash your eyes, nose properly to minimize the allergic reaction, and vacuum regularly with vacuum cleaner. So these are the number of things which we can do, and it may also help to relieve pollen allergy symptoms. Our second concern factor is UV index, that is ultraviolet index. UV index is directly proportional to the risk of sunburn. It means higher the UV index, higher will be the risk of sunburn. You can check UV index from the weather section in mobile. When UV index is more than 6 or 7, you require extra precaution. Your unprotected skin will be damaged and can burn quickly. So what precaution you should take? The first one, avoid midday sun. Reduce time in the sun between morning 11 to noon 3 and take full precaution by seeking shade, covering up exposed skin, wearing a hat, sun protective sunglasses and applying sunscreen. I hope next time when you will go outside with your kids, you will look these two important factors, that is pollen count and UV index. So please like, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon for next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.